soon clouds are dancing, in the sunlight swiftly advancing. How the lark, so happy in the sky, trills a merry song in sheer joy. Let us be happy in the springtime, let us sing with the lark in the sky. Let us nature's beauty